Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video, we will be showcasing 10 new features on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that no other phone currently has or can do this well. These are S25 series exclusive features, and some of them will blow your mind. So let's dive in and see all of them one by one. Now, before we dive in, if you decide to grab an S25 device, there will be some exclusive links down below for sakitech viewers that will get you the following benefits. Free $50 instant Samsung credit. Up to $300 Samsung credit that you can use towards free double storage upgrades and spend on accessories. And of course, up to $900 in trade-in credits that apply as an instant discount. Here's a quick look at the trade-in credits by device. Now, the free $50 activates when you click the link below and order within 30 minutes. All right, so the very first feature I want to talk about has to do with the display. So let's go to the display settings. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to activate this feature. So scroll down, go to display, and then go over to the screen resolution options and make sure you are in QHD+. Now, here's the magic. This feature is built into the display and the chip. It is known as the Pro Scaler technology. When you have it here, it is not active. When you have it here, it is not active. When you put the resolution to the highest resolution, QHD+, it activates automatically. The Pro Scaler feature actually is carried over from Samsung TVs, the high-definition TVs. It is going to be an AI-powered technology that when enabled, that means when you are in this resolution, is going to enhance the image quality, specifically when it comes to color accuracy and screen sharpness. So everything is going to be upscaled and look even better. In fact, the Pro Scaler is going to achieve a 40% improvement in display image scaling quality. So everything is going to look more vivid and more brilliant on this display, even compared to the S24 Ultra. Now, this feature is embedded in the processor and also uses AI technology. So that's number one, Pro Scaler for the display under QHD+ resolution. Again, it turns on automatically when you select the QHD+ resolution. Nothing else you have to do. Now, one really big feature that we have is going to be with the camera. So I'm going to go into my camera right now. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So we have a new interface. Obviously, that's One UI 7.0. That's not the new thing. But we do have a powerful professional grade feature in the video. So I'm going to go to my video. I'm going to tap this button right here. I'm going to go into my settings, okay? Now, once I'm in here, I'm going to go into my advanced video options right over here. And you are going to see we have this powerful log feature that can be enabled or disabled. Now, when I tap on it, I have the capability to use this in Pro Video or Video and Pro Video mode. So I'm going to enable it for both. But you can see this is a format in which you record if you want to edit the video footage in software like in Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere or whatever, okay? So it gives you a wider dynamic range for more flexibility when you are editing. So you can create professional grade videos with this option enabled. Now, to use this option, just so you know, is when you go to video, you're gonna see there's gonna be a log button on the top right here. So when you tap it, you can see when you shoot in log, the colors are flat. That's all normal. That's how you record it. Okay, so let me just record this for a minute. All right, bring my hand here. You can see it's very flat. I'm gonna tap on stop. So it's stop recording. Now, when I go to the video file, there is something really interesting here. So right now it is in log format, so it is editable. You can see it says log there. But if I swipe up like this, you'll see it says correct color. So if I tap on this, I can see the video in its normal colors that I can also use. And I can save a copy. So it will do it for you if you want. You're gonna get a quick result. But again, if you want to get some professional level editing, then you take this file and you put it into a video editor. You actually put this into a video editor. But that's a brand new log option. Now that log option, you tap to disable it. And also when you go to more and go to Pro Video, okay, this gives you even more control over your videos. You can again tap log, and it's going to enable the log option. Fantastic option, definitely a professional grade option. The next feature is going to be the brand new Galaxy AI. It's the unified Galaxy AI. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you press and hold this button right here, you can see the Galaxy AI just came out. It is in fact listening. When you press and hold and let go, you can start talking to it. So I'm going to cancel that for a minute. And what I want to tell you guys is the key with Galaxy AI, this brand new AI, is that it is able to use Google's Gemini and Bixby at the same time without you even realizing it's happening. So I'm going to give you guys 3 examples so you guys understand what's going on here. Now let's say I was about to do some research for a research paper and maybe I want to create a summary for my reference. Look at what I can do. Press and hold. Search the internet for information on quantum physics.
Quantum physics is the study of matter and energy at the most fundamental.
Take this information, summarize it, and put it in my Galaxy Notes. Look at everything happening.
Saved as a note.
Okay, so it just searched the internet for quantum physics, then it summarized all that detail, and now I can go to my Samsung Galaxy Notes application, all right over here, and if I go inside, I have the whole thing summarized for me to take a look at. This just saved me probably 30 to 40 minutes of researching, reading, and summarizing. But this is just one example. Now, the other example I want to show you guys is the way Gemini works is it is also fully integrated into your phone. So if I go to my gallery application, for example, okay, there's not going to be a lot of photos here, but you can see we have a bunch of photos, and these are photos of a bunch of coins, okay? So let's say we had thousands of images in the phone right now, and I was looking specifically for coin images. All I would do is I would tap on search, and here's Gemini right here. I can tap on search, and I can say, find me photos of coins. It's going to search, it's going to analyze, it's going to find all the coin-related images on my phone. I can do the same if I just want to look for images of a lion, images of my kid by her name, images of myself, images of me at California, find images of me in New York in this date range. It can do all that stuff right from here as soon as you tap on search. Okay, now in this instance, it is using Bixby, but you don't even know that because it's a unified AI. Now let me show you one more final example, but again, there's going to be millions of examples. These are just a bunch of examples. If I go to my settings, if I go to search, let's say you're not phone savvy, look at what we got. We've got the Galaxy AI waiting for you. So tap on search, find battery related settings. Look at that, guys. Immediate availability just by using natural language. So using natural language, I can do anything on this phone, including all the basics. I can do this too. What's the weather like in New York right now?
In New York, it's 27 and clear. Tonight, the forecast is around 23 degrees and clear.
Okay, so that's going to be the brand new unified Galaxy AI. Again, right now, 100% exclusive to Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Let's move on to the next amazing feature. Now this feature is in the gallery application. I couldn't believe how good it works. So I'm going to go over here to my gallery, all right? And I'm going to launch this video. I'm just going to quickly play it. It's me talking and also the fan making a lot of noise. Listen to this. Fan in the background is making noise. So let's see how we can get that fixed. So with the brand new Audio Magic Eraser, I can go to a video and I can tap on edit, and then I can tap on the audio icon right here, and we have the AI functionality right here, the Galaxy AI. It says Audio Eraser. Look at what happens, guys. I'm going to tap on it. It's going to split all the sound into voices and also into noise. Now look at this. If I play it now, if I increase this, that's going to maximize the actual noise coming out from the fan. So look at the way you can hear that. Check, 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 check. I'm talking and... So that maximized the fan noise. Now what if I want to completely eliminate the fan noise? amazing, guys. Look at this. Just go to negative 100 and tap on play. Now look at this. My voice is going to be crystal clear and all the noise is magically gone.
And you can see the fan in the background is making noise. So let's see how we can get that fixed.
Completely disappeared. I hope you guys can pick that from the actual microphone. And then when I'm done, I can tap on done and we're good to go. Or I can just hear the original on the top here if I want to compare and fine-tune it further, okay? This is not a real-life scenario, but you get the idea. This can happen anywhere, and you can make adjustments to the audio to clarify what you want to actually hear. Now, we also have a great enhancement to an existing feature. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, on the older smartphones, it is known as the sketch to image, but it's been renamed to drawing assist, and the interface is now much better. So let me show you. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to tap on OK. I'm using it for the first time on this phone, but look at this. This is the brand new sketch to image known as drawing assist, and basically, I can choose one of these options. Let's just say pop art. And then I can draw something, tap on this over here, and I can draw something simple, okay? And then it's going to change that into a little piece of art by me tapping generate. And the thing is, this is all gonna now happen even quicker than the S24 as an example, or the S23, because the processing is far more superior, okay? So look at this result. This is amazing, and I can go over here to watercolor and regenerate, all right? And again, the interface has been changed and the overall operation is in fact faster. And you can see it made me one, then I made another one, and look at this. Previously, it would make 4 of the same style, but now I can pick a style like sketch and I can just say generate one more. And it keeps the old ones and gives me a brand new one. All right, so let's wait for that to happen. So that's the sketch. But it still kept this one over here, which was the watercolor, and this one over here, that was the pop art. And as I switch between them, you can see this selection switches as well. So look at this. Look at that little blue square. It switched over here, and if I do this, it came right over here, and it creates some amazing results. Again, brand new interface and better execution. This is a very popular feature. So that's that. Let's move on to the next feature. Now the next feature has to do with the internet browser. Again, right now you're only going to find this on the S25 series. So you go to your internet browser. That's the Samsung internet browser. Okay. And let's just pull up an article. Here's an article right over here. Okay. Now let's say you don't want to read this article. You just want the phone to read it to you in a summary fashion. All you do is you tap on the intelligence button right here, and you can say read highlights aloud. So I'm going to tap on that right now.
Trump, Musk, Gaza. The rise of totalitarianism and the end of the U.S.
And it's going to summarize the entire page, and it's going to read it for me, or you can just read it yourself, as you can see. Okay? This is absolutely fantastic. Now here's one more example. Let's say you're busy. You just want to listen to a summary of this long article. Tap over here. Read aloud.
Assassin's Creed Shadows director says recent delay was to polish parkour, especially on super complex.
Incredible. Just a quick reminder, if you decide to grab an S25 device, there will be some exclusive links down below for sakitech viewers that will get you the following benefits. Free $50 instant Samsung credit. Up to $300 Samsung credit that you can use towards free double storage upgrades and spend on accessories. And of course, up to $900 in trade-in credits that apply as an instant discount. Here's a quick look at the trade-in credits by device. Now the free $50 activates when you click the link below and order within 30 minutes. Now we also have a brand new feature known as the Now Brief. And if I wake up my screen, you can see it shows up here. I can tap it. It's nighttime, so it's giving me a nighttime briefing. It gives me a suggestion. It says, hey, you haven't scheduled any events for tomorrow. Do you want to add some events? So that makes sense. So it's there. And then we see the weather. We have some news right over here. And I can even tap and go to YouTube Shorts to watch a couple of videos. Now I am going to log in real quick. And you can see we also have a widget. That's the Now Brief. I can tap it, and that's the same exact information. But I can also swipe down and I can tap on settings, and you can see I can modify it. But the Now Brief is gonna learn about you as time goes on, and based on the time of the day, based on your use of the phone, is gonna give you the briefing. For the morning when you wake up, for the afternoon, for night, it's gonna change as the day progresses. But you can see, I can tap on content to include, and I can have any one of these things show up in my Now Brief. And again, when you first buy the phone, you're not gonna see a lot of things. But as time goes by and the phone learns about you, you're gonna see more and more personalized content that is directly relevant to you. So that's the Now Brief option. It is also accessible from here. Tap Now Brief, okay? All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.